Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Today on Bitcoin Bulletin, we're taking a closer look at why some experts are calling it a ticking time bomb, the potential for a massive price surge in Bitcoin. The recent all-time high of around $112,000 per Bitcoin has sparked wild predictions from traders and analysts alike, with many believing that the Federal Reserve's next move will send prices soaring. At its core, this is about the Fed's stance on inflation and interest rates. With bond yields hitting near two-decade highs of 5.1%, investors are starting to see a shift in market sentiment, one that could lead to quantitative easing, or the big print, as some Bitcoin bulls call it. And what would that mean for the price of Bitcoin? Well, according to Charlie Garcia, founder of wealth network R360, recent Fed Treasury purchases amount to stealth easing. In other words, this could be a signal that the Fed is ready to restart its money printer and Bitcoin might just be the beneficiary. But how much will it affect prices? Charlie's prediction is that if the Fed quietly keeps hitting the QE button, Bitcoin could become an investment equivalent of a midnight convenience store, burrito, volatile but satisfying. And some experts are predicting even bigger things. Josh Mandel, a retired Wall Street trader who claims to have accurately predicted Bitcoin's price in March 2025, says the big print is coming. And he expects the price to hit $160,000 by the end of 2025 and $1 million by 2030. So what's driving these predictions? One key factor is Bitcoin's decoupling from traditional risk assets. As Edward Carroll, head of global markets and corporate finance at MHC Digital Group, notes, Bitcoin is increasingly behaving more like an independent, reliable asset allocation, particularly in times of uncertainty. And with the U.S. Treasury auction coming up, many are watching for signs that the Fed will intervene. In conclusion, on Bitcoin Bulletin, we're keeping a close eye on this developing story. Will the Fed indeed restart quantitative easing? How much will it affect the price of Bitcoin? One thing's for sure, we'll be here to bring you all the latest updates and insights as the situation unfolds. Stay ahead of the curve with Crypto Codex, our daily newsletter for traders, investors, and the crypto curious.